Generating a PNG with matplotlib when display is undefined. I am trying to use networkx with Python. When I run this program it gets this error. Is there anything missing? I get a different error now. I get a different error now.
The main problem is that, on your system, matplotlib chooses an X using backend by default. I just had the same problem on one of my servers. The solution for me was to add the following code in a place that gets read before any other pylab/matplotlib/pyplot import. The alternative is to set it in your matplotlib.
Just as a complement of Raynaud's answer. The permanent way to solve this kind of problem is to edit matplotlib file. Find it via. Then modify the backend in that file to backend column ag. That is it.
The clean answer is to take a little bit of time correctly prepare your execution environment. The first technique you have to prepare your execution environment is to use a matplotlib file, as wisely recommended by Chris Q. Setting. In that file, you can even control, with no code changes, how and where matplotlib looks for and finds the matplotlib file. The second technique you have to prepare your execution environment is to use the backend environment variable, and inform your users to make use of it. This is handy because you don't even have to provide another file on disk to make this work. I have employed this approach with, for example, testing in continuous integration, and running on remote machines that do not have displays. Hard-coding your matplotlib backend to ag in your Python code is like bashing a square peg into a round hole with a big hammer, when, instead, you could have just told matplotlib it needs to be a square hole.
I got the error while using matplotlib through Spark. Matplotlib.useag doesn't work for me. In the end, The following code works for me. More here.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.